compared Jesus with Muhammad. Jesus never killed a person. He never killed an apostate. He never waged a war. So he was a role model for me. And that's why I loved Muhammad and I wanted to follow Jesus. When I studied the life of Muhammad, in 10 years, he waged 83 wars. In 10 years, 27 wars and 56 raids. In 10 years. And you are going to teach me that Islam is peaceful? No, it's not peaceful. Are you going to give a Nobel Prize for somebody who waged 83 wars? No, you will not. And another thing, Muhammad is not a role model. Jesus is. Muhammad, he had many wives, 11 of them. One of them, she was 9 years old. He was 53. I am 50. I cannot marry a girl that has 9 years old. You cannot. That's abuse. And Muhammad did that. He raided a Jewish tribe. He killed the whole family of a